are going to learn today is about IKURA nani temo. IKURA nani temo is mean no matter how something, and how to use. In Japanese, when you use IKURA, you can use with the verb, noun, and adjective. In adjective, you can use with the na adjective and e adjective. But when you use with the verb, you should change the verb to be the te form. And the noun you should change to be the demo. Right? The verb you change to be the demo. Now demo, and na adjective you can change the same as now, like demo. But for the e adjective, you should change the e adjective to be the demo. When you change, you should cut the e out of the adjective and end by kutemo. For example, atarashi kutemo, which means you cut out the e out of the adjective and end by kutemo. And when you use IKURA nani temo, is mean no matter how something. So the next, let's go to see some sample to make more understand about how to use the grammar of IKURA temo. The first example, お金はいくらあっても困りません。お金はいくらあっても困りません。Which means you can never have too much money. You can never have too much money. An example, これはいくら安くても買いたくない。これはいくら安くても買いたくない。Which means no matter how cheap it is, I don't want to buy it. No matter how cheap it is, I don't want to buy it. In these two sentences, you notify the first sentence that after the IKURA is end by atemo. Atemo is from the aru, which means have, or arimasu, which means aru or atemo is mean the verb. So you change the verb to be the te form. And for the second sentence, you see that the use after the IKURA is followed by yasukutemo. Yasui is mean the e adjective. So when we change the each adjective to the kutemo, you should cut out of the e. So we just left only the kanji yasu and kutemo. So we can say, これはいくら安くても買いたくない。No matter how cheap it is, I don't want to buy it. Because something, right? So the next, これは必要なのでいくら高くても買います。これは必要なのでいくら高くても買います。Which means, I need it so I'll buy it now, matter how expensive it is. I need it so I'll buy it now, matter how expensive it is. The next, 私はいくらお酒を飲んでも顔色が変わらない。私はいくらお酒を飲んでも顔色が変わらない。Which means, no matter how much I drink, my complexion does not change. No matter how much I drink, my complexion does not change. For this sentence, the first sentence we use the after IKURA is end by takaku. Taka is more from the e adjective takai, right? Taka is mean expensive. But we change to be the temo form. we should cut out the E, so we just left only taka, and by kutemo, taka kutemo. And for the second sentence, you see that after ikura is followed by osake or nondemo. Nondemo is from the verb nomu means drink. So we change nomu to be the demo. We can change nondemo, something like this. So I hope that you remember how to use the structure or the grammar of ikura nani nani temo. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。